Hey everyone, welcome back to Soft Asia. In this video, I will create a rotating image gallery with the help of JavaScript. So let's start writing code. First of all, I will declare a constant variable image container element that references the element with the class image container. Constant image container element equals document dot query selector. I will declare two more constant variables, previous element and next element, that reference the element with previous and next ID respectively. Get element by ID. Now I will declare a mutable variable x and empty timer variable, both of which will be used later. I will add an event listener to previous element that listens for a click event. When the event is triggered, it increments the x variable by 45 and clear the timer variable with clear timeout and calls the updateGallery function. Previous element dot add event listener, click event, x equals x increment 45, clear timeout, gallery. Timer. I will add another event listener to next element that listens for a click event. When the event is triggered, it decrements the x variable 45, clears the timer variable and call updateGallery function. The updateGallery function sets the transform CSS property of the image container element to a perspective and rotate Y transform with the current X value. It then set a new timer that will decrement X by 45 and call update gallery again after 3 seconds. Function update gallery image container element dot style dot transform perspective timer equals set timeout update gallery function for 3 seconds. And at the end, I will call update gallery function to initialize the gallery when the script runs. That's it from coding. Let's see on front end how does it look. Here you can see images are rotating in gallery. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.